Hey, I appreciate for watching this video, and if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on so you don't miss any update. Let's take a look at Vechain. Last time we looked at Vechain was on October the 9th. Here is a quick recap. The 10-day moving average reversed direction and it is trending upward. Very soon, I would say within the next couple of days, the 10-day would cross over and lead the 50-day. That would be a very bullish sign. Vechain was able to cross over the 50 days moving average. So the key for it is to be able to hold this gain and close over the 50 days and consolidate over that. And if Vechain can close over the 50 days moving average, then it would continue to trend up as part of the breakout of this bull flag as well as the falling wedge. The next critical resistance level is right around the 12.5 cents. A crossover that would take Vechain to about the 13.7 cents, where it would also be testing this prior high. The next level would be 14.5 cents, and then eventually reach our target price of 15.7 cents. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Vechain, and the data I have is to 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 14th. Last time when we looked at Vechain was on October the 9th, right at this point. Vechain closed the day at around 12 cents. But after that, for the following 3 days, it retraced and then dropped below the 10 days moving average and dropped all the way down to about 10 cents. But buyers stepped in, pushed the price up, and the price was able to close higher and form this nice little candle we call hammer. Then the following day, the price closed higher above both the 10-day as well as the 50 days moving average. So this gives us the confirmation signal for this hammer. Today, Vechain opened the day higher and the buying momentum continued. Now it is testing the 200-day moving average and is currently trading at about 12.10 cents or up almost 6%. Let's take a look at Vechain on a 1-hour chart. After dropping down to about 10 cents and started to reverse in price, Vechain spiked up and then for the past 7 hours traded sideways or consolidated. So Vechain is very much forming this little bull flag. This is the flagpole and this is the flag. A breakout could technically take Vechain to about 13.5 cents. Switch over to the daily chart. Last time we talked about the 10 days eventually will cross over and lead the 50 days. And now it is getting extremely close. This is definitely going to happen later on today. The 10-day would cross over the 50-day and lead the 50-day. That would be an extremely bullish sign. Because after the 10-day drop below the 50-day, we saw Vechain retrace from about 12 cents all the way down to about 8 cents. So now this would be the major bullish signal that we are looking for. The stochastic oscillator is also showing that the blue line continue to lead the red line. That is another good sign. All these positive indicators are pointing to a high probability of Vechain to break out of this bull flag. So all this is pointing to a very high probability that this reversal in price would continue and Vechain would continue to trend higher. The next target is at around 12.5 cents. And then 13.7, 14.5, and eventually reach our near-term target price of 15.7 as part of the breakout of this falling wedge. And that's it for this video.